In this video, we are going to see how to create shared parameter. You see shared parameter. Why we need shared parameter instead of project parameter? Let's see. We have here room tag. In this room tag, we have floor finish, baseline finish, wall finish, ceiling finish, and zone numbers. If we create this kind of family, we will find that if we create label, then we will find room finishing, base finishing, and room number, room name, and wall finishing. All finishings are existing here, but if we find zone number, we don't find here zone number. So for this, in Revit, we have to create an external shared file in text format. So it is called shared parameter. So how can we create this? Let's see in this video. Now you can see we don't have any zone numbers here. So we will create a shared parameter. For that, we have to go manage shared parameter. First of all, create, or if you have already a file of shared parameter, then you can browse from here. So for this, we will name it zone numbers dot text. Save. And now a new group. This is zones. And now new parameter, name zone number. Under common, or we can choose a specific discipline for that. For now, I will choose common, and this is a text. We will write text Z1, Z2, Z3 like that. Tooltip. Here we can write the description of how this shared parameter will work. Okay. Now shared parameter has been created, and now it's time to bring it in our project. So we will go same manage, and here project parameter. So we don't find here that zone, so we will create new parameter from here. So we will choose from here shared parameter, because it can show in schedules as well as text. From here select zone number. Okay. From here identity data. From here instance, and values are aligned per group type. From here I will choose rooms, because it's rooms tag. Hide and check categories to confirm we have checked the correct one. Okay. Zone number, you can see here our parameter has been come here. Okay. So we will go to our family. This is our room tag family. If you want to see how to make this, you check description below. You will find the video link there. Go to create labels, click. You will find that there is no zone numbers here, so we will create new parameter. Select zone numbers. Okay. Now zone number has been come here, and this one, add parameters to label, and sample value we will keep only Z. Apply. Okay. You see it's created. Now we will choose the size of this 2 mm, make it small, and we will put it here. So now save and load into our project. Choose project. Okay, it's already here. And now we have to go schedule, room schedule, open. It's already there. So we have to create one more field here. Fields, zone number here. Okay. Now we will write zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. If we, you see, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 has been created. And if we select the room, we will find here under identity data, room number, room name, base finishing, ceiling finish, wall finish, and floor finish. After that, zone number Z1. So this is the way we can create shared parameter for room tags. Hope you will learn something from this video. Please like it and subscribe it.